Hi there, I'm Lisa Doyle with Rockcliff Realtors, and welcome to our How Is the Market segment. I have to tell you, more than ever, I get calls daily asking me what is going on with this crazy market and what do we see coming in the near future. So I've got some data that I want to share. We are seeing some change in our market, a bit of increased inventory, which I'll share. As you know, we've been hovering at extremely, I would say historically low inventory of what I've seen in the market in the last 26 years. For the last maybe 6 months or so. But our inventory in our East Bay has now gone from about 490, which is extremely low, up to 679. So if you remember from a year and a half ago, our inventory tends to hover right around 2,000 for this East Bay. So 679 is still below average. But what I wanted to share with you is the markets right now that we're seeing the most heat and where the increased inventory is taking place. Above $1 million is where we've seen the majority of those extra homes that are hitting the market. The market right now in our area that's the hottest is in that range between, say, 600 and 900,000. Super hot market, very low inventory, and a very high buyer demand, which is pushing our prices up. So what we have found to be super fun in this last couple months is the families who want to sell a home in that heated market, and then they want to buy something bigger in the higher market that has seen an increase in inventory. So it's almost like you've got the best of both worlds going on a little bit there. Definitely if you have plans on making that move up to something bigger, strategy right now is super important to think about that. It's always pretty relative, meaning that if you're going to sell high, you're typically going to buy higher than you would. But this little advantage as far as inventory has helped some of our clients get into a home that they maybe couldn't have bought previously. And of course, interest rates still hovering at about 3.5%. So the total inventory in our market right now has been, again, like 679. The total pending is 1,280. So again, pending inventory rising, a little bit of active inventory rising. But the market that has been staying super consistent is our distressed market. With the rise in some of our prices in this area of about 12 to 13%. Some of the short sales have now been able to be traditional. So it's wonderful to see this happening in our market. Only about 28 homes that are currently for sale right now are of the short sale nature, and about 16 of the bank-owned nature. So distressed market really starting to basically go away in our area, which is phenomenal. So if you have questions about your particular circumstance, of course, give me a call. My name again is Lisa Doyle. My number is 925-890-7443. I look forward to talking with you soon.